This is a Yaheetech platform bed frame with 4 storage drawers. Full disclosure, this product was sent to me to do an install video. So this is going to be a video showing you how to set everything up and go over everything you need to know. So it does come in 2 different colors, dark gray and beige. Those are both available. This is a good bed frame, and you don't need to have a box spring to put on top of it, and it'll be about the height you're seeing here. However, if you do put a box spring on, it still can handle it. It's just going to be higher. So we were going to put the box spring on originally, but we felt it was a little too high, so we decided not to put it on after we completed it. The install's not too bad. I'm going to go through and show you exactly how to set it up. And there are 4 drawers that slide in and out, which is really nice. The product is about 81 pounds, so you can expect it's a little heavy to get in, but not too heavy for when it's all packaged. And it does look really nice here for us. We really like the gray color, and we have a blanket that matches it, so that's why we have it showing here. And yeah, really nice start for our new room here to get fresh look. And the big thing seller for us was not only can it hold stuff, but it can also keep our dog from going under the bed, which is important to us because she's always trying to get under there and, you know, live under there, and we don't want that. So now we have a way to have a barrier here. Let's go through the instructions and show you exactly how we got this all set up.
So it does show in the picture, you want to make sure that this hole is going to be like going this way. When you're putting screws in like this, when you know you're going to have to do some on the other side, it's a really good idea not to screw them to their full tightness at this point, because it doesn't leave any room for things to like wiggle and adjust. Because if I did it too tight, then I might have trouble getting these in on this side. So I tightened it enough that I know it's going to stay over there good. And then I'll get these started, and then I can go back and tighten it the rest of the way. Make sure I have it facing the right way. And the reason I know it's facing the right way is because this has wording on it, and you can see which way the wording goes. You can also see the holes on here need to match up with the holes on here as well. Face up here, the screw hole should be closer to the bottom, so I definitely have it facing the right way. So there's a bigger gap up here. This needs to be on the bottom. I'm going to put on E1 and E2. E1, the flat plate that's on the end of it needs to be on the inside. And the reason why I know E1 faces this way is because in the picture, E2 is going to match up with this board on the end. The other thing you want to be careful with is which way the bar is facing. The top of the bar should have more holes on it. The other side only has one hole on it. That's going to be on the bottom. On this bar, which is E2, this one has the flat plate on both sides. So I know which way it goes this time because again, on the bottom, there's only one hole. That hole is going to be on the end by like the board on the end of the bed because again, J has to go under this side the same way J went under E1. So that way, again, it matches the picture that the J has to be on the close end here. And that way I know what direction this goes. The slant of the piece of wood should be going upward. So you do not want it like that bowing down. You want it so that it's going up and around. Then you have numbers N and M. All of number N are going to be going in the middle to connect the piece of wood from one side to the other. And they're going to go in the holes in the middle. All of letter M is going to go on the outside and go on the holes along the outside on each side. The wheel is going to connect into that latch. The screw goes in from underneath. I'm going to stick it in there that way. So then I am taking my screwdriver underneath the drawer here so that I can screw this in to the wheel. And now I'm going to repeat that in all 4 spots. So first, I'm going to start with connecting the sides. I want to make sure I have this drawer facing the right way though. So it looks like in the picture, if you look at letter C, top half has 1 dot and the bottom half has 2 dots. top half, when the drawer is upright, the 1 dot is going to go on top, the 2 dots are going to go on the bottom. We're going to lay this down though. I'm going to take the drawer. Okay. We're going to connect them on the holes here and here. Okay, so those are tightened. That is it for putting the drawer together. Then they can go right in. So let's slide one in. You would just repeat that 4 times again. Did put on one of the wheels, right? Yeah.
Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.